Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Acura ILX. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Acura ILX, the compact sedan that's bold, aggressive, and sporty. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, keyless start, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, multi-zone AC, heated front seat, power driver seat. Shift your driving life into high gear. Test drive the ILX today.